The sun shines upon us to bring life and color to our planet. The crash of the waves and music of the deep sea makes us feel alive and washes our spirit clean. Look up, out, and all around. You will see the majestic beauty of this special place. Nature will come to you in many ways. Spend time with it, love and respect it. Be kind to our earth and let your footprint make a difference. Every life counts. Embrace all living creatures, for we are in this together. Plant seeds of happiness and hope. Nourish your soul with the colors of the earth.